Hey guys, for today's video, I will show you how to fix Instagram Reels not showing after update. This is quick and simple, so just follow me. First, open the Instagram app and check if the Reels icon is located at the bottom of the screen. If the Reels icon is not visible, exit the Instagram app. Then, go to your Play Store or App Store on your device. Search for the Instagram app on the App Store or Play Store and check if there is an update available. If an update is required, click on the update button located on the right side. If the app says open, the update is already complete. And after updating, check if the Reels icon is visible. If it's still not visible, hold down the Instagram button and select remove app to completely delete the app. Deleting the app completely is like a turn it off and on again system. After deleting, re-download the app from the App Store to check if the Reels icon appears. If it does, great. If not, there's still another chance to try and restore it. In the menu settings, scroll down to the bottom and select Add Account. You can either log into an existing account or create a new one. If necessary, create a new account and check if the Reels icon is visible on the new account. So there you have it. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to subscribe.